Robots are no longer just science fiction. They're everywhere, shaping our world right now. They build our cars, explore distant planets, and even vacuum our homes. This quiet revolution is changing everything, powered by electric motors and clever engineering. At their core, robots sense, think, and act, a simple loop that powers everything from nanobots to giant industrial arms. Today, anyone curious enough can learn how robots work and even build their own. The secrets of robotics are open to all, fueling a new generation of makers and innovators. The Garage Workshop is now a launchpad for the next big breakthrough. So let's dive in. Let's see what makes these machines tick. We'll explore the gears, wires, and code that bring robots to life. This is a journey into the heart of modern engineering. Robots aren't just cold machines, they're marvels of ingenuity and creativity. Let's discover the elegance and excitement behind their design. It's time to unveil the secrets. Every robot is built on 3 pillars: mechanics, electronics, and programming. The mechanics, the guts, are the robot's body frames, gears, motors, and joints. This is where you start, building a strong skeleton and powerful muscles. Next, the electronics, the brains, form the nervous system wires, sensors, and circuit boards. Sensors gather information, sending it to the central controller. Without electronics, a robot is just a statue. Finally, programming, the soul, gives the robot intelligence. Code tells the robot what to do, making decisions based on sensor data. Mechanics act, electronics sense, programming thinks. All 3 work together in perfect balance. Change one, and the others must adapt. Building a great robot means mastering this dance. That's the art of robotics. How does a pile of parts become a robot that acts? It starts with a goal. Say we want our robot to pick up a ball. The camera sees the ball and sends data to the robot's brain. The code analyzes the image, figures out the ball's position, and plans the arm's movement. The controller sends commands to the motors: shoulder, elbow, wrist, all working together. The arm moves, reaching for the ball. Sensors in the joints and gripper provide real-time feedback. The controller constantly adjusts, making tiny corrections to stay on target. It's a continuous loop: sense, think, act, hundreds of times per second. This is how robots turn thought into action. It's a dynamic conversation between hardware and software. Every movement is precise, calculated, and responsive. That's the magic of robotics in motion. From goal to action, it's all about the loop. Take the robotic arm in a factory, masters of repetition and precision. Their mechanics are strong, electronics robust, and programming flawless. They follow strict scripts: move, grip, release, over and over, never tiring. This harmony of guts, brains, and soul revolutionized manufacturing. Now consider the self-driving car, a robot on wheels. Its body is familiar, but its brain is a supercomputer packed with sensors, cameras, LiDAR, radar, GPS. It processes a flood of data in real time, making complex decisions on the road. Programming here means artificial intelligence, not just simple scripts. The car must identify obstacles, predict behavior, and obey traffic laws. Unlike the factory arm, it's a generalist, ready for anything. This is robotics at its most challenging and exciting. From specialists to generalists, robots are transforming our world. The frontier keeps expanding. Robots are already making our world safer, smarter, and more efficient. In factories, they handle dangerous, repetitive jobs, freeing humans for creative work. In medicine, robotic arms help surgeons perform delicate operations with precision. Robots explore the deep sea and distant planets, gathering data we could never reach ourselves. In agriculture, they tend crops with accuracy, conserving resources and boosting yields. Every robotic success is a testament to human ingenuity. The future, even brighter. Imagine robots helping the elderly, searching disaster sites, or building safer structures. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. We're building partners for a better future. Robotics fuses creativity and engineering to help people. The next generation, maybe you, will take these principles and create wonders. The future is something we build with robots.